Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy. In this relaxing painting session, we're creating a night garden, a dreamy floral scene under a glowing moonlit sky. This project is part of our Floral series, and it's perfect for beginners who want to explore blending, floral brushwork, and soft lighting effects. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And if you'd like to stay up to date with our newest tutorials, tap the bell icon so you never miss a creative moment. Here's what you'll need for this tutorial. Pause here to gather these items and come back when you're ready. This information can also be found in the description below. Let's begin by building the night sky. Squeeze a few drops of lamp black, phthalo blue, and cobalt blue directly onto your canvas. With a wet flat brush, use horizontal strokes to blend the colors smoothly. Focus the darker tones, like black, on the top and bottom of the canvas, and let the blues stay lighter in the center for a glowing effect. Keep your brush damp and blend slowly to create that soft transition from night to light. Now we'll add the moon. Load a small round brush with sky blue and lightly paint a rough circular shape in the center of the sky. Blend the outer edges in circular motions so it feels soft and hazy. Then, using thicker titanium white, paint a smaller circle inside to define the glowing moon. Don't worry about making it perfectly round, just glowy and atmospheric. With a Filbert brush, let's add some loose, airy clouds. Use a dry brush technique here. Less paint, more texture. Start building your cloud shapes in circular motions, keeping the tops thick and fluffy and gently blending the lower edges into the sky. Try to keep it loose and natural. Paint about 3 cloud formations to balance the composition. Think of soft, fluffy clusters. Don't try to make them perfect. Take your time with this step, allowing the colors to merge naturally while leaving subtle variations in tone to add depth. Time to bring the garden to life. Load your arch-cut brush with a mix of pink and white and begin painting cosmos flowers. Press and drag the brush to form petals. Each one should be a little pointed and slightly overlapping. Tilt your brush to vary the angle of the petals and keep it natural. Add variety by switching to purple, orange, and peachy pink tones. Tilt your brush to vary the angle of the petals and keep it natural. Paint as many flowers as you like. Try not to overfill the space. Leave room for light and contrast. Add yellow centers and some orange-yellow flower buds to give the garden more depth. With a fine liner brush, use black paint to create slender, flowing stems beneath the flowers. Then go back with a touch of white to outline one side of each stem to mimic moonlight reflection. Load a half-inch flat brush with sap green and light green and add feathery bushes and leaves around the base of the flowers. Use gentle upward strokes to create texture and a sense of movement. To finish, return to the moon and give it a final highlight with thick white paint for a glowing centerpiece. Use your fine liner brush to add a scattering of stars in the sky. Add a few extra details to the flower centers and buds to complete your scene. And there you have it, Night Garden, a calm, luminous floral painting that captures a quiet moment of moonlit beauty. If you enjoyed this tutorial, you can explore even more at Acrylic Arts Academy. We offer both free and pay-what-you-can premium painting courses to help you grow your skills and confidence. You can get started at acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses. Thank you for painting with us today. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to keep creating with us each week. Until next time, paint with joy and let your creativity bloom.